video. Welcome to my channel, and this is Karla Caves at Lonavala. So you'll find a lot of insight videos in the coming session, and this is one of the best places to visit in Lonavala. Yeah, and let's see how it goes. Thanks. So guys, this is the elephant sculpture and Buddhas on above it, and you'll find a lot of sculptures on the walls as well. This is the oldest structure in India and very much popular for the great Chaitya Caves. And this is the cave 8, and you'll find this is the entrance of cave 8, and a lot of sculptures are there, and people are saying that it is made up of in the Buddhist era, and this is original sculpture that you can see here on the wall, and even it is very much popular in India. The oldest structure in India in the caves category, and the entrance is huge. And this is the inside view of the Karla Caves, and basically Karla Caves is very much well known for the Chaitya Caves, which is the greatest Chaitya Caves in India, and you can see 15 pillars on each side, which is developed by the people at the Buddhist era, and above each pillar you'll find the structure of female or male and female on it. This is the central sculpture or the structure which is useful for the prayer purpose, and this is the basically the Chaitya Caves, great Chaitya Caves. This is the outside view of great Chaitya Caves, and there are other part of the caves as well, and which is developed inside the rock by cutting the rocks, and which is very properly preserved by the government, and the structure is well known for its great Chaitya Caves, which is the greatest Chaitya caves in India. Yeah, and this is the inside part, and some of the structures carved on the walls, and this is the unique part of the caves, which is hollow part. You can see the circle part where most of the people were thinking that the people at the Buddhist era were doing the prayers at this point, and it could be a good spot from taking pictures perspective. And this is the side part of the caves where you'll find a lot of sculptures on the walls, beautifully done by the people at the Buddhist era, and even this spot is very much crowded, mostly on the weekends, and people are very much enthusiastic or shows their interest towards this historic monument. Some of the parts like this sculpture was very much properly carved on the walls, and it's very beautiful, and there are steps to this caves where the above part is similar to what we saw earlier at the below section, and these steps are strong steps, so you don't have to worry about the structure of this caves. So when we enter into this section, we saw a lot of rooms, and also the windows, big windows, from where we can see a beautiful view and beautiful scenario from the inside. Yeah, so this is very beautiful structure developed by the people, and this is the scenario from the top near to Karla Caves, and it's very much beautiful. It's greenery, and it's really beautiful to watch this. Yeah, and this is the Bushi Dam, which is popular spot in Lonavala, and it's a very popular tourist spot. We enjoyed a lot here. If you want to relax in Lonavala, so you should definitely visit this spot. It's a very popular spot, and yeah, good to spend time with your family. Again, from Lonavala point of view, so this is the Amrutanjan bridge, from where you'll find a lot of greenery and beautiful scenario. And that's it, guys. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, comment below which part you like the most, and please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and you'll find more videos in coming months. Thanks a lot.